South of Newcastle, Offa's Dyke passes along a ridge at Llanfair Hill. This is a particularly impressive section of the Dyke. We have photographed this using our drone, and in one particular area a photogrammetric analysis has revealed hitherto unrecorded earthworks. This area is where the road, the farm track, converges upon the Dyke itself. In photogrammetry, multiple images are combined to reveal the third dimension, the actual elevation of the surface. This creates a three-dimensional model of the surface, which can be analysed in a variety of ways. In this case, the image shows a rectangular earthwork feature which is beneath the Dyke itself. In the image, the Dyke is represented by the two very dark lines. The road is to the left. The rectangular earthworks are approximately 50 metres by 30 metres. From ground level, the feature is barely perceptible. From the air, it can just be seen once you know where it is, as in this photograph. The feature can also be seen in the second photograph, where again it is shown lying between the Dyke and the modern farm track. A completely different visualization, in which the elevation of the ground is coloured, red being the highest, shows how the Dyke crosses over the rectangular feature. The road is just below the dark Dyke mark. In this image, the elevated ground just to the west of the feature is also shown. A similar visualization, taken from a slightly different angle, shows very clearly how the Dyke cuts across the rectangular feature, and how that feature is placed most opportunely on what appears to be a naturally elevated platform. Its position on the ridge, with views along the ridge itself, both north and south, and extensive views over the eastern side, suggest that it may have been a Roman signal station. It would have been very highly visible for great distances from the English side, while still keeping a very good view, particularly if there were an elevated platform beacon of some form on the mound over the Welsh side. Its location on the ridge may also suggest an earlier prehistoric origin, in which its function was to intercept in some way the traffic along the ridge. Indeed, in this visualization, a sunken trackway between the modern farm road and the Dyke is visible.